Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to claim a Spotify artist account. So a claim Spotify artist refers to the process where an artist takes ownership of their artist profile on Spotify. So how are you going to do that? What you're going to do here is you have to go first to Spotify for artists. You can go to any web browser and type this one. It will take you directly to their page and you will see these two options above, log out and get access. So all you have to do is to click get access and then click this artist. The first option right here, tap this one. So if you ever encounter that, you just need to reload. So claim an artist profile, read the following instruction here, information, and then click continue. Now you have to verify if this is your Spotify account. Click next, and then here you have to simply add your profile account or profile name on Spotify. So let's just say this is me just for this tutorial, okay? And then after that, enter your business email address. Take note, it's business email address. Click next. And then after that, you can now check your email address. Go to your email address, business email address, and then copy the code that they have sent to you. Okay, right click, copy, go back, and then paste this code right here. After that, you can now have access to this, and all you have to do is to fill out this information. After that, tap next, and you will just have to wait for the next instruction or next steps to do. So basically, to claim an artist profile, the artist or their representative typically has to verify their identity, like the one above, and link their Spotify account to the artist profile through the Spotify for Artists portal. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. If you want us to create another tutorial, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.